Welcome aboard, passengers, and hello and welcome to episode Trains Up. And today we're on day 4 of Shay's Christmas / Happy New Year countdown day 2025. And today I'm at Teignmouth, located on the GWML with the Mainline, with service by from goes to Brummy and cross country. And our face as well. 43 HSD Brummy from Newton Abbot, and she is on the way service to Bristol Temple Meads from Penzance. I saw a 8 pass by working service to Peyton from London Paddington. It's a 10 car service. Double pair 10 car service. The part was I got into the station after an 8 rushed past. So let's get started here on what turns up. Alright, so let's get started here and what turns up. Alright, so let's get started here and what turns up. Okay, the first train to come past by is going to be a cross-country service to Peyton from Edinburgh Waverley. (220.04 and 221.04). Alrighto, the next train. Alrighto, the next train to turned up is the 1534 Great Western Railway service arriving in. Working the 1534 service from Plymouth to London Paddington will be arriving in soon. I remember where is it right now? Oh, we will be somewhere far away. Okay, the next train to turn up is the 1534 cross-country service to Plymouth from Glasgow Central via Newcastle Central. (220.04). Alrighto, now to par now is the 1534 Great Western Railway service to London Paddington. 16605 and always 166,007. As we have a cross-country voyager still stopping here. All right to announce by now is a cross-country service to Plymouth. Okay, the next train to turn up is the 1534 cross-country service bound for working a service to it's Waverley from Paynton via Birmingham New Street. Alright, and our final train of the day, it will be now departing. It's the 1534 cross-country service to Edinburgh Waverley via Birmingham New Street will be starting Abbot to depart. And go. To 2004. And she offs ahead to Glasgow Central. The next station will be Exeter Davids. I should leave it there. Thank you for watching, everybody. It's appreciated. If you like, if you do, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell for notifications for the next upload. Well, it's really nice station I visited this today in Waverley Line, or the Gloucester Mainline. It's so cool. But in fact, I liked it. So, I will be seeing you guys on day 4, and my next video will be trains at Dawlish. So next time, me and you, I should see you later. Take care, guys. Goodbye. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. See you in day 4 at Dawlish.